Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 86,700. And the overall situation of Bitcoin, let's talk about that. We wanted two daily closing above $85,000. And let's look at that as how is that thing going. If you look at it, we have had not two, but three. And today is the fourth day. We are seeing it above $85,000. We had one closing. This is second closing. This confirmed that, okay, now $85,000 is turning into a good support area. Now losing this area would require us to form two daily candles below it, and only after that we can start saying, okay, 85 is gone. As long as we stay above $85,000, I'll be shooting up for the direction of $90,000. I'll be aiming for higher prices instead of overall lower prices. The bad news is that we are still stuck in the channel. If you remember this rising channel, we are not done with this crap. And the sad part is that we go up there, we come down, we went up, and then this is 87,750, and right now you can see it has gone down again, which is basically the game that if we stretch this line, it will come down again and touch this, which means it should hold $85,000 anyway. So it will come down and touch $85,000, which is the red line as well. And the make or the break of this channel is going to be the deciding factor of which direction we are going to pick. I've already said that this is a rising channel. Rising channel is a bearish structure, which means 70% of the time this shit goes down. 30% of the time this goes up. And if you remember, I am betting on the up instead of down, only because that we are left now with how many days? 4 days, 4 or almost 5 days left for the end of March, which is more than enough, to be very frank with you. Today is 26. We are going to stretch it till 31st. That's more than enough for the market to go green. We were going green from previous 3 days. We had a Sunday green, a Monday green, and then we had, what the hell is today? Today is Wednesday, so we had a Tuesday green as well, I think. So most probably 3 or 4 days green. Today is red. And it's not that crazy red, it's just a bit of a retracement. We are still holding above $85,000, and I don't know how to reiterate this. This area matters a lot. You're staying above this for multiple days. This has not happened for weeks. Once we lost this area of 85K, every single day it was staying below it. It would go and touch it. Even one time it made an attempt to get out, then it went back in. So now conquering this area, it is pretty substantial. It holds a lot of water. It is valuable. So this gives me confidence that hopefully this support will break the TA of rising channel, and then hopefully we will deliver on the upper side, which has a lower probability of happening of 30% instead of going down, which has a higher probability. We will see how it plays out. Over here, I'm basically contradicting TA, which is not something nice to do. It's just that it makes sense for me, considering the environment we are sitting in. I would put my odds on the 30% instead of the 70%. But like I said before, after 85 we have 81,500 that is acting as a support as well. Only after losing that we can start crying about 74. But let's not get bearish. It's end of March. Let's stay bullish and let's talk about the upper journey instead of the downward. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.